Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Chamberlain Cloud service in the USA, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from the Chamberlain Cloud service, begin by visiting the official Chamberlain website. Log in to your Chamberlain account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled subscriptions or billing. Click on this option to view your current subscriptions. Find the Chamberlain Cloud service in your list of subscriptions. Select the option to manage or modify this subscription. Choose the option to cancel or withdraw from the service. Follow the prompts provided to complete the cancellation process. You may be asked for a reason for your withdrawal. Fill in any required information as prompted. Review the confirmation page to ensure everything is correct. Finally, submit your cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation email regarding your withdrawal. Check your email for confirmation to ensure the process has been completed. If you do not receive a confirmation, log back into your account to verify your subscription status. Contact customer support if you encounter any issues during the process. Make sure to review any potential charges or policies regarding refunds or data retention. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.